In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your directional lock for your Google form. So when you click on directional lock, your response validation will already appear. If you're not using the template, you're going to click on these three dots right here, and then you're going to say response validation. You'll also want to say description so that you can type in your directions. And so north equals N, south is a capital S, east is a capital E, and west is a capital W. And so for the response validation, you want to make sure that the first drop down says regular expression, the second drop down says matches, the third blank you're going to put in your answer. So I have capital S, capital E, capital S, capital E, because that is my answer. So southeast, southeast. And then the last part is what you're going to put if people who are completing your form put in the incorrect answer, what will appear. So I have still locked as what will appear for them so that they know that they have the incorrect answer. And that is how you set up your directional lock.